I did cut all these trees with my little mulcher, disc mulcher, the Handy brand or Vicky brand, I'm not sure which. Pretty sure it's a Chinese made one, imported. You got quite a few of these 3 to 4 inch trees that not too bad to take out. Takes a little more patience. Take out something 5 to 6 inches or bigger. I've taken some that were probably a foot through, cut them down. That one wasn't, but some of them are. Some of these are pretty good size. Skid steer popping. Yeah. As soon as it dries up, I'll get in here with the grapple. Here's a pretty good sized one I cut. Just took my time and mulched through it. That's a size 11 boot. Yeah, that's more than a foot through that way, and pretty close to it that way. That one's split, I don't know, but it doesn't matter to me. It's down, so pretty good sized hickory. A few more small ones over that way. This one here, I'm not sure I want to tackle. I probably could, but I may wait till I get an excavator in here. Pull them up, push them over, dig them up, push them over. Anyway, that's where I've got to. It's a muddy mess right now. Chance of showers tonight, but it looks like it might have missed us. So, and it's too wet to do anything tomorrow, so probably not gonna be out here tomorrow. Thanks for watching.